Here's where we are right now. AI can generate a face, a voice, an identity, a whole person in seconds. Bots flood sign-up forms, fake profiles scale faster than any human team can catch them. The fraud problem isn't coming, it's already here. And it doesn't stop the moment someone creates an account. We built Didit because this problem deserved real infrastructure, not another patchwork of disconnected tools. Didit is one API, one platform, the full lifecycle. From the moment a user signs up, through every transaction they make, to every re-authentication along the way. Identity and fraud handled together continuously. We connected the government and credit data sources of every country. We train our own models for documents, biometrics, and fraud networks. We built the device and network intelligence layer, and we put all of it behind a single integration that any company in the world can use. 220 plus territories, 14,000 plus document types, 50 plus languages. The hard work is done, you just connect. Every deployment starts with a workflow. Head to business.didit.me, open the workflow orchestrator, and you're on a visual canvas. Select the checks you need, connect them, and define what happens at every decision point. You can call your own systems from inside the flow. If your database says a user is banned, the session gets declined automatically. If the ID is from a specific country, you branch into a different path. Extra questions, additional checks, whatever the market requires. The logic is yours. Every module is configurable. Take liveness, for example. Set the threshold, define what happens if a duplicate face is detected, and decide whether to approve, send to review, or decline. You can do this for every module you select. No code, fully composable, completely yours. And if you'd rather not build it yourself, go to the integration section, grab your API key and webhook, and copy the generated prompt. Drop it into Claude Code, Codex, Cursor, it doesn't matter. One prompt. Integrate Didit to verify my users in my mobile app. It reads the docs at docs.didit.me, builds the flow, and wires the SDK into your app. No sales call, no setup meeting, done. Now let's run it. Your users can reach the flow 3 ways. A QR code if they're on desktop, a link you send directly, or your own app with our SDK embedded natively and fully white labeled. It looks like your product because it is your product. They capture their ID, they take a selfie, liveness check, face match, AML, device intelligence, IP analysis, all running in parallel. In under 2 seconds, the verdict is in your console. And it's not just a pass or a fail. You get the full session. The status, every warning, every fraud signal, the document capture, the selfie, the video. Everything your team needs to understand exactly what happened. It all comes through webhooks or our API, ready to pull straight into your platform. Here's where most platforms stop. Didit doesn't. Fraud doesn't end at onboarding. It evolves. Accounts get taken over, transactions get manipulated, real users turn into bad actors. So we built the monitoring layer too. Transaction monitoring tracks every payment your user makes, fiat or crypto, against rules you define. We surface the patterns, you decide what to do. Ongoing AML screening keeps your users checked against watch lists worldwide continuously, not just at sign up. And biometric authentication means you can re-verify any user by face at any point. High-value transaction, ask them to confirm it's really them. Password reset, same. Account takeover becomes significantly harder when you already know what your user looks like. Identity and fraud, the whole life cycle, one unified view. For a long time, solving this problem meant enterprise contracts, opaque pricing, limited coverage, and months of integration work. It was built for the companies that could afford it, not for everyone who needed it. We thought that was wrong. Didit is open, global, self-serve. Pricing is public on every module, usage-based, so you only pay for what you use. A full identity check starts at 30 cents. Enterprise customers get annual contracts, and anyone can create an account and start testing right now, no sales call required. And Didit is the only platform an EU member state government has formally attested is safer than verifying someone in person. This is what identity infrastructure should have always looked like. If you're building something that needs to know who your users really are, this is where you start. Create your account at business.didit.me. It takes minutes. Or hand it to your coding agent and let it handle the integration. Didit, infrastructure for identity and fraud.